Kinumpirma ito ng Holy See Press Office kagabi, Sabado, Pebrero 23, 2025 sa pamamagitan ng isang health bulletin na kritikal pa rin ang kalagayan ni Pope Francis.
The condition of the Holy Father continues to be critical. Therefore, as explained yesterday, the Pope is not out of danger. This morning, Pope Francis experienced an asthma-like respiratory crisis of prolonged intensity, which required the administration of high-flow oxygen. Today's blood test also revealed thrombocytopenia and associated with anemia, which requires the administration of blood transfusions. The Holy Father remains alert and spent the day in the armchair, although he is more fatigued than yesterday. At the moment, the prognosis remains guarded.
Ang nabanggit na thrombocytopenia ay isang kondisyon kung saan ang pasyente ay may low blood platelet count. Ayon sa medical website ng Mayo Clinic. Nakaratay si Pope Francis sa Gemelli University Hospital, Rome, Italy, mula pa noong February 14 dahil sa paglala ng kanyang bronchitis. Ang diagnosis sa kanyang medical team, complex respiratory infection and pneumonia in both lungs. Pahayag ni Pope Francis tungkol sa maselang kalagayan ng kanyang kalusugan. I might not make it in this time. Naging dahilan ito para umpisahan ng mga the Vatican ang paghanda para sa burol at libing ng Santo Papa. Ayon naman kay Dr. Sage Alferre, ang head ng medicine at surgery sa Gemelli University Hospital. He knows he's in danger and he told us to relay that. Binanggit din ni Alferre ang responsibilidad na magkaroon ng sepsis si Pope Francis na maaaring magdulot ng organ failure at kamatayan. Milyong-milyong Katoliko ang nanalangin para sa paggaling ng 88-year-old na Papa. Kabilang dito ang mga taga Latin America, particular na sa Argentina kung saan ipinanganak si Pope Francis bilang George Mario Bergoglio. Ayon kay Argentine press Adrian Benjardins, sa panayam nito sa Reuters, we pray for him with trust in God and pray for his wealth and with joy. Sa official Instagram account ng Santo Papa na may 9.2 million followers, ang latest post niyang dated February 12 ay puno ng get well soon messages. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo sa videong ito? Pakishare po yan sa comment section. At kung gusto mo rin mag-request ng video, i-comment na din ang title para magawan ko ng research. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for more updates. And see you on my next videos.